Imagine being able to work 4 times faster than typing, just by glancing at your computer. No more aching fingers, no more time wasted, just pure flow. And the brand is WhisperFloat. I'm going to show you how to use it and how to work faster. But without further ado, let's dive straight into today's video. Alright lads, now that you actually know what WhisperFloat is about, I'm going to show you how to download it, sign up, and then log in. Also, how to use their services. So, as you can see right here, the exact URL you want to type in is whisperflow.ai. Once you've done that, it'll bring you to a screen that looks like this. And you just need to click the button to download it for your device. In this case, I'm on a Mac. So I'm going to download it from my Mac device. I'm going to log in and then I'll show you how to use it further on. Alright lads, so once you've signed up and logged in, it'll bring you to a screen like this. And as I mentioned before, what WhisperFlow actually does is it takes your voice and turns it into text with simple commands. It's also advertised as being 4 times faster than actually typing. So I can literally just talk and I'll save loads of time by speaking to my computer instead of typing. Right, so I'm going to go to my email now to show you an example of where this comes in really handy. Instead of typing in who you want to send your email to, you can literally just press 2 buttons, speak, and it'll be filled in automatically. Let me show you. Okay, so as you can see, we're in my email right now, and all you have to do is literally press the control key and the button right next to it on the right, the command button. And once you've pressed those 2 buttons, you just have to speak. So I want to send this to Amazon. So let's say amazon@gmail.com. So there you go, you can see it. It just typed it in, literally in less than 2 seconds. Lads, all you have to do is press those 2 buttons, speak to your computer, and it instantly turns it into text for you. So as you can see, when I spoke to my email, it keeps track of everything you've done. So, for example, today, when I sent that email, you can see it here in my history, amazon.gmail.com. Okay, so WhisperFlow is introduced as a voice-first productivity tool, with the idea of taking typing completely out of the equation, completely removing typing from the equation and turning it into simply speaking to your device. To make work faster and easier, it's positioned as a universal dictation tool for modern workspaces. So whether you're a student, an engineer, or someone who makes calls, this is perfect for you because you can save so much time just by speaking to your device, instead of typing everything out. You can use it for sending emails, making notes, or even for coding, like in an app such as VS Code. So WhisperFlow adapts to both your personal and work-related needs. For example, you can have your own personal dictionary or a team dictionary, as I'll show you here. So as you can see, right here we've our personal dictionary and our shared one, so it's spot on. Whether you want to use it for your own personal stuff, or if you have a business you want to run and save your whole team some time, you can do that too. Same goes for snippets. You've got snippets for yourself and for teams, so you can just share them and everyone gets access. You can also change the style of your text for personal messages, work messages, emails, and more. So you can customize it yourself to whatever style you fancy. WhisperFlow comes with features like SOC Type 2. And it's HIPAA ready as well. You also have the option for 0 data retention, so you can keep those sensitive messages or information safe. Give WhisperFlow a go today and see just how quickly you can work when you let your voice do the talking. It's available on Mac, Windows, and iPhone, so be sure to check them out today. That's a wrap for today's video. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below and we'll see you next time. Cheers!